up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rob if you're new here, and today we're going to be switching out the battery terminals on the stock XJ's battery. So I just came from O'Reilly's and I bought these universal post terminals, and they'll work great. Also got some dielectric grease, some silicone grease to use on post and the wiring. I was going to switch out the entire wire, but I got the wrong ones, so we'll do that later on down the road. Okay, so a few tools that you're going to need for this project is, of course, wire cutters, some wire strippers, and if you need, the first time I changed my battery, I definitely needed this, just a terminal puller. If you don't have one, then you're just going to have to pry it off. And then a open-end wrench or a ratchet to put the new terminals on. So let's get started. Alright, so I already have the terminals loosened up, ready to pull off. Just going to pull both of them off, keep them away from the post. And I'm going to start with the ground wire. I should have just used these. Now we're just going to strip these wires here. Do plan on getting all new wiring for this, but this is just going to have to do for now. Strip your second wire. I'm going to use some electrical tape and tape these two wires together, just so it's a little easier, a little more cleaner, a little more clean for this project. What I did forget to do is put a little of this silicone grease on the actual wires itself. Now we'll put it back on. So when you tighten it up, tighten a little bit at a time up on each side. You don't want to wrench one side down and then do the other. Just do a little at a time. And then to finish tightening it up, I'm going to put that one back on the terminal to finish tightening it up. So there's that one. This is a 12 millimeter. This one is really corroded and tore up. One reason why I wanted to change them, everything was working fine, but this is going to become a problem eventually. So, like I said earlier, I am going to switch these for new cables from jeepcables.com. But for now, we're just going to do this quick fix and hopefully it will be okay until I can buy those cables. Yeah, look at that. So, just like the first one, we're going to strip these cables, these wires. Tape these two together. Loosen up my posts a little bit and my terminals. You know what I mean? And put them in there. Forgot my grease. That's my fault there. Alright, so there they are, guys. Pretty simple, fairly quick. I could have done it within 10 minutes if I wasn't making a video. So hopefully it'll start a little better. I've been having a little bit of an issue with it cranking over, so let's see if this helps out. Alright guys, so I think this project did the trick. It has cranked over a whole lot faster than it has in a long time. It would gradually get worse by the day on turning over. So this is the fastest that it's turned over in quite some time. I would say probably a month or so. So I'm satisfied with the job. And like I said earlier in the video, I am going to be getting the Jeep cables kit to replace the power and ground. I'm looking forward to doing that, so stick around for that video. If you haven't already, guys, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.